Please help to subscribe my channel and like my video. Let's go to improve your English with me.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. My name is Anna.
And I'm David. Today, we are going to talk about future plans. This episode will help you learn useful English phrases, listen to real conversations, and practice speaking about your own future.
Yes, our topic is very important because we all have future plans. Small plans, big plans, fun plans, and even life goals.
And the best way to learn English is to practice speaking about your own life. So let's get started.
Vocabulary and explanation. Going to. I'm going to eat dinner. Will. I will call you tomorrow. Planning to. I'm planning to visit my cousin. Tomorrow. Next week. This weekend. Soon.
David, what are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to visit my parents. We're going to have a family dinner. How about you?
I will go shopping on Saturday. On Sunday, I'm planning to relax at home.
Sounds nice.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'm going to visit my parents. I will go shopping. I'm planning to relax.
Great. Now answer this question. What are you going to do this weekend?
You are talking with a friend about the weekend. A. What are you going to do this Saturday? B. I'm going to play football. You are talking with your teacher. A. What will you do after class? B. I will go to the library.
Graduate means finish school. Apply for a job. Improve English. I want to. I hope to. I plan to.
Anna, what do you want to study in the future? I want to study psychology. I hope to become a counselor. How about you?
I'm planning to study business. One day I want to start my own company.
Repeat after me. I want to study psychology. I hope to become a counselor. I plan to start my own company.
Now answer. What do you want to study in the future? A. What do you want to do after university? B. I want to get a good job.
Vocabulary. Dreams. Goals. One day I want to. In 10 years, I will. David, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
In 10 years, I will have my own business. I also want to travel the world.
That's amazing. I hope to write a book and maybe live in another country.
Repeat after me. One day I want to. In 10 years, I will. I hope to.
Discussion questions for listeners. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What are your biggest dreams? David, where would you like to travel in the future?
I'd like to visit Japan. I'm going to see Mount Fuji.
Nice. I plan to travel to Italy. I want to eat real Italian pizza.
Repeat after me. I'd like to visit Japan. I'm going to see Mount Fuji. I plan to travel to Italy.
Now, imagine your dream vacation. Where will you go? What will you do?
In the future, people will live on Mars.
Really? I think people will travel in flying cars.
Maybe one day, robots will cook our meals.
Repeat after us. People will live on Mars. We will have flying cars. Robots will cook our meals. What do you think the world will be like in 50 years?
Let's practice together. I will give you a situation. You will answer in English. Your teacher asks, "What will you do after graduation?" Your friend asks, "What are you going to do this weekend?" Your boss asks, "What are your future career goals?"
Today, we talked about many future plans, weekend plans, study and career goals, life dreams, travel, and even predictions about the future.
Yes, remember these useful phrases. I'm going to, I will, I plan to, I hope to, one day I want to.
Keep practicing, speak out loud, and use these sentences in real life.
Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.